in this mobile, stepping.
Hello there, 501.
Man, this no this shit out here. I ain't heard this mic shit in a long time.
Yeah, I'm close to 2,000 right here.
No. I'm on one of my tube radios, man. It's not hooking up as well as I'd like it to.
Yeah, I think it's losing traction somewhere. I think our radio there is losing traction somewhere. It ain't hooking up there, Brady.
Well, I think it likes to be turned up a little more. I don't know.
Hello, 601 in that Peterbilt. Hello, 601 radio station, Motormouth Mall. Look at this big old ugly Jeep waving right there right now.
Radio on my barefoot over 142 GTL in the Evergreen State waving ass.
Hey, 601 Illinois in that big old Peterbilt, Motormouth Mall, Mobile, waving.
I didn't catch the numbers. From the northwest corner, you got the Whoppers.
Hey, you back up in there again, ain't no doubt about that. Hey, 601, I only hope I can make it up in that Mobile half as good as you making it up in here. 601 Illinois. Radio station, Motormouth Mall, working this Mobile. One fat watt at a time. I got down. Breaker. Mother Nature might be on a diet, you know. You never know. 601. Mother Nature may be on a diet, doggone it. She may be. But you're smoking up in here, you no doubt about that. 601 Illinois radio station, Motormouth Mall, working this big old thing. Getting on down. Bigger. Loud you are, you no doubt about that. I did, and I also heard Banjo up there around Tennessee giving me a holler. Hey, Banjo, Motormouth Mall, working the city bitty Jeep right here, right now, getting on down. Roger, Banjo, I appreciate the bump down that there in the world of sound, and you're smoking out here too, I know that about that. Real loud. Banjo, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast Thunder Modulator Beast, working this Jeep right here, right now. I got down.
Corey, you got the... Hey, Motormouth, I just changed the cable. Is that better? Alright, I think I blew out a cable.
Hey, Radio Man 445, what's going on out there? 445, Radio Man, radio station, Motormouth Mall, working the ugly Jeep waving.
Corey.
Oh, we just sitting back here reading this duck plucking mail out here in Mississippi there, Motormouth Mall.
Roger, I'm reading the duck plucking mail around Mississippi, ain't no doubt about that. Hey, 445, Augie's trying to get my mocha frappuccino. I went and got a mocha frappuccino, and Augie's trying to get my mocha frappuccino. Hey, 445, Radio Man, radio station, Motormouth Mall, your West Coast, Thunder Modulator Beast waving right here, right now. I got down.
Well, Motormouth, it must smell good. That mocha cappuccino must smell good, though, Augie 10-4.
Cool stuff, you know. He likes coffee, too. He likes coffee if I got cream in it, but he really loves these mocha frappuccinos. Ain't no doubt about that. He likes that cold stuff. But he likes about anything I eat or drink, I think. He needs to have his share of it. That's what I'm not sure. So, hey, Radioman 035 voted Bob Ball. Look at this great big leg. It ain't so ugly anymore, man. I got it painted. I'm painting it this afternoon in camouflage. It looks pretty good.
45, Ratchet.
I hear you out there, Ratchet. I'll get back with you in just a second. Hey, Motormouth, you gotta send me a picture of that old ugly Jeep. Hey, Motormouth, Mom, send me a picture of 445 way back white.
I'll tell you what, I will. I'll go ahead and...
Down by 445, 139, Kansas City, Nevada. We're trying.
Radioman, I will do that. I won't forget. I was going to get a picture of it last night. So I won't wait.
All right, Motormouth, Mom. Hey, Ratchet, 445, way back with you. How's everything going on your end?
In the background, I'll get you a picture.
A little bit of a lunch break, head back to work, so I guess I'm going to go back and get dirty. I heard you keying it down, so I figured I'd jump in there before I jump out of this one. But, you know, my other one's about half, so you never know if I can find it out.
Oh, Ratchet, I said hello. Oh, the West, I didn't even hear my... up there on a piece of cotton.
All right, Ratchet, while you headed back, 445, so you be good, be safe out there around northern Cal. Hey, Ratchet, your friend around Mississippi, 445, we back reading this now.
Ratchet 27 in the Mobile, I'm about to jump on it. 65, big numbers of 60.
Okay, 445, Radioman.
Alright, Motormouth, Mom, this big old train wreck right now, about 4 or 5 people keyed up. I can't understand who's doing what out there. I'm gonna sit back here and read this mail and figure it out.
Another time like that there. Hey, 445 Radioman, it does happen that way from time to time. Ain't no doubt about that way. You got a whole lot of people out there keying up at the same time. Hard to make heads and tails of what's going on. Hey, take care of 445 Radioman. I got a couple of things I gotta do, and I'll go to the park and I'll get a picture of this thing and post it up there on Facebook. Motormouth, ball waving, I'm stepping.
Alright, 10-4, hey, Motormouth, looking forward to that camouflaged ugly Jeep out there. 445, reading the mail.
Working, sounds good. Hey, 445 Radioman, I'm gonna go pick up a tree. I'll see ya. Motormouth, ball mobile, get on down.
Oh, shit, who said Motormouth was a mud duck?
Usually do, but I gotta get out of the mobile, bro.